This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Yes, and today we are going to talk about something you do every single day.
After this video, you will know how to talk about your daily routine in natural, real English.
Simple words, real conversations. Let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. So happy you're here with us today.
This is the place where we practice real English together. Slow, clear, and friendly.
No stress, no complicated grammar, just real conversations you can use in your life.
Exactly. And today's topic is perfect for everyday life.
If you are new here, welcome to the family. We are so glad you found us.
And if you come back every day, thank you. You are amazing.
Okay, Sarah, are you ready?
I am so ready, Mike. Let's do this.
Oh, before we start, if you want to improve your English every day,
Just hit that subscribe button right now. It's free and we post new practice videos all the time.
and if this video helps you, give us a thumbs up. It really helps other beginners find us too.
You can also share this with a friend who is learning English. Learning together is so much more fun.
Okay, now we start. For real this time.
Yes, for real. So today, we're talking about daily routines.
A routine? Let's say that word together. Routine. Routine.
A routine is the things you do every day, like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work or school.
These are normal, everyday things. And in English, people ask about this all the time.
For example, a new friend says, "So, what do you usually do in the morning?"
Or at work, someone asks, "What time do you start your day?"
You need to answer these questions, and after today, you will know exactly what to say.
This is for you. This is your English. Let's practice together.
Okay, Mike, let's start a real conversation. Pretend we are new friends, okay?
Perfect. Okay. Sarah, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Great answer. Let's look at that sentence. I usually wake up at. You can use this every time.
Right. Usually means most days. Not every day, but most days.
For example, you can say, I usually wake up at 6. Or, I usually wake up at 8:30.
Now you try. Say it with us. I usually wake up at. Fill in your time.
Go ahead. Pause the video. Say it out loud. We'll wait.
Good job. Okay, let's keep going.
So, Sarah, what do you do first in the morning?
First, I turn off my alarm. Then I drink a glass of water.
Ooh, that's healthy.
I try. What about you, Mike?
Me? Honestly, I check my phone first. I know, not the best habit.
A lot of people do that, Mike. You're not alone.
Okay, viewers, here are some great morning phrases you can use.
First, then say the action. Like, first I brush my teeth.
Then I make coffee.
After that, I get dressed.
These three phrases, first, then, after that, they help you tell a story, a daily story.
Okay, Mike. Next question. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is very important for me. I always eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I have a banana too.
Oh, nice. I usually just have coffee and maybe some fruit. I'm not very hungry in the morning.
Interesting. So, viewers, you can say, I usually eat or I don't eat breakfast. Both are fine.
You can also say, I'm not very hungry in the morning. That's a natural, honest answer.
Or, I only have coffee. Simple, real, natural.
Stay with us. We're going to practice all of this again at the end of the video, so don't worry if it feels fast now.
Okay, Sarah, What do you do after breakfast?
I get ready for work. I usually leave the house at 8:30.
How do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad. I drive to work. It usually takes 30 minutes, but sometimes there's traffic.
Ugh, traffic. Everyone understands that problem.
Right. Okay, let's look at the phrases here.
I take the bus. I take the train. I drive. I walk.
These are your travel verbs. Take, drive, walk. Simple and very useful.
And you can add time. It takes 20 minutes, or it takes about an hour.
Okay, Sarah, do you like your morning routine?
Mostly yes. I like my quiet coffee time in the morning. That's my favorite part.
Oh, I love that. What do you not like?
I don't like waking up early on cold days. It's so hard.
Oh, yes, I understand completely.
What about you, Mike? Do you like your routine?
I like it, but I want to change one thing. I want to wake up earlier and exercise in the morning. But right now, I don't do that.
That's okay. Small steps, right?
Exactly. Viewers, here's a great phrase. I want to change, or I'm trying to.
For example, I'm trying to wake up earlier, or I want to eat healthier breakfasts.
These phrases show goals, and they are very natural in conversation.
Okay, let's slow down for a moment and talk about some key words.
Great idea. First word, routine. R-O-U-T-I-N-E. Routine.
A routine is what you do regularly, every day or most days.
Second word, usually. U-S-U-A-L-L-Y. Usually.
Usually means most of the time, not always, but most of the time.
For example, I usually go to bed at 10. This means most nights I sleep at 10.
Third word, habit. H-A-B-I-T. Habit.
A habit is something you do without thinking, like checking your phone in the morning, which I do.
We all do, Mike. We all do.
A habit can be good, like drinking water every morning, or it can be bad, like sleeping too late.
You can say, I have a habit of eating late at night.
I think mornings are actually really nice when you wake up slowly.
Really? I disagree a little. I prefer evenings. I feel more awake at night.
Oh, interesting. So you're a night person.
Yes, definitely. Are you a morning person or a night person, Mike?
Definitely a morning person. I feel best before noon.
Viewers, this is a fun question to ask people. Are you a morning person or a night person?
And you can answer, I'm a morning person, or I'm more of a night person.
Simple, fun, real English.
Okay, let's do a special practice section now. This is for you, the viewer.
We're going to give you sentences. You complete them, say them out loud, or write them in the comments.
Ready? Here we go.
Sentence 1. I usually wake up at blank.
Pause and say it. Fill in your time.
Sentence 2. First I blank, then I blank.
Tell us your morning. What do you do first? What do you do next?
Sentence 3. I like blank about my routine.
What part of your day do you enjoy?
And sentence 4. I want to change blank.
Is there something in your routine you want to improve?
These are great sentences. Say them, write them, remember them.
And guess what? These are real English sentences. Native speakers use them all the time.
Okay, let's talk about when to use these sentences in real life.
Situation 1. You meet someone new. They ask, "So, what do you do?" Or, "Tell me about yourself."
You can talk about your daily routine. I usually wake up early. I go to work at 8. In the evenings, I like to cook.
It's a simple, friendly answer, and it starts a conversation.
Situation 2. Small talk at work or school. Someone says, "How's your morning going?"
You can say, "Good.
I woke up a little late today, but I had my coffee, so I'm okay now.
That is the most relatable sentence ever.
Right? Coffee fixes everything, at least in the morning.
Important tip. You don't need to say everything. Short answers are totally fine.
Someone asks, "What time do you wake up?" You can just say, "Around 7." You?
Short, natural, friendly. And you ask them back. That shows interest.
Always great to ask back. It keeps the conversation going.
Okay, we promised to practice again at the end, and here we are.
Let's do a quick conversation together. Listen, then try it yourself.
Mike, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30. What about you?
I wake up at 7. First, I drink water, then I make coffee.
Nice. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, usually something small, fruit or toast. I'm not very hungry in the morning.
I understand that. I eat more at lunch.
Now, your turn. Try that conversation with a friend, or just practice it alone.
Say it out loud. It really helps.
Okay, let's remember what we learned today.
We talked about morning routines, how to describe what you do every day.
We learned key phrases like, I usually, first then I take the bus.
We talked about likes, dislikes, habits, and personal differences.
And we learned how to use these phrases in real conversations, naturally, comfortably, confidently.
You did great today, seriously.
Now it's your turn to practice. We want to hear from you.
Write in the comments. Tell us about your daily routine.
Here are some sentences you can copy and complete.
I usually wake up at blank and first I blank.
I am a morning person, night person, because...
One habit I want to change is blank.
Write one sentence. Write all 3, however you feel.
We read the comments. We love your answers, and it is the best way to practice real English.
No fear, no perfect grammar needed. Just write and practice. That's all.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Honestly, it means everything to us that you're here, learning and growing every day.
Remember, your English is getting better every single time you practice. Even a little bit counts.
Don't compare yourself to others. Just compare yourself to who you were yesterday.
And tomorrow, come back. We have a brand new video waiting for you.
We'll be right here, same place, same friendly faces, new English practice.
So subscribe, turn on the bell so you don't miss it, and we will see you very soon.
Take care of yourself. Keep practicing. You've got this.
Bye for now, everyone.
Bye.